Hi boys and girls, this week we're going to continue to learn about personal finance. So last week we started talking about goods and services, and a good is when you buy an item like a candy bar, and then a service is when somebody does something for you, like when you go to get your hair cut. So when people complete a job, they earn money. That's why we all have jobs, so that we can earn money to live and do the things that we want to do and the things that we need to do. So then they have to decide what they will do with the money. Will they save it? Will they spend it? And if they spend it, they have to decide what they want to buy. So people have to make choices whenever they're buying what they want and what they need. A need is something that you cannot live without, like shelter, so your house or your apartment, water, and food. And then a want is something that you don't have to survive, like candy or a bike or video games. All of those are unnecessary things. So if you look at these pictures, we can see that there are some wants and then there are some needs, and things like clothing, water, food, shelter, and then all of the extra things that we enjoy to do and enjoy buying are wants. So if you look at these pictures, can you look and see what is a need and what is a want? I can look and see that food, water, and shelter are all wants or needs. And then I can see that the house is a need. And then extra things like bikes or scooters or candy are all wants. So opportunity cost is also something that we're going to be talking about this week. And that's when people have to make choices about what to buy. And they're determining opportunity cost. So that's when you don't have enough money to buy everything that you want, so you only buy one thing. The thing that you don't buy is called the opportunity cost because you're missing out on that item. So for example, if I don't have enough money to buy the scooter and the computer, I choose to buy the computer, which makes the scooter my opportunity cost. So let's practice with opportunity cost. In each box, if you pick the item that you would rather have, so if I would rather have the teddy bear, then the other item, the popcorn, is my opportunity cost. And same over here. If I would rather have a new pair of shoes rather than a game, then the game is the opportunity cost. So throughout the week, you can refer back to this video clip to help you with your activities. Your activities will cover goods and services, needs and wants, and opportunity cost. Good luck!